Welcome everyone. How you doing? I'm gonna cut right to the chase. I got the new Xbox Series X and I had to reset up, all my stuff on OBS. So I got a couple new things that I wanted to set up finally. So I went out and I got this Aver Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus. It looked good. I liked it. I saw a couple good reviews on it. And so I bought it, set it up, and I was having some problems that looked like a lot of people were having problems with not getting audio, and the audio wasn't good or whatever the case may be. So I stumbled upon this one guy's video, and he kind of pretty much figured it out. So I was just going based off of what he said. Let me pull up his video. All right, so here's his video right here. The metering issue is the issue I'm addressing. There's another issue that I will address here that a lot of people were having. So basically, people were not getting any Xbox sound. Like I said earlier, I was doing Xbox, so people were not getting any Xbox sound. So you can see my Xbox is metering high, right? But it is getting Xbox sound, but it's not, good sound. So in that video that I saw, he basically just plugged in a headset. You pretty much just grab any kind of headset, bam, plug it in to the microphone port, which is the right one on this bad boy. You see this light lit up now, it wasn't lit up before. And you just bam, 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 put it down. Obviously the left button down, and now it's red. So now you saw the set. You see now I got no feedback, and my audio is good on my Xbox. And then one thing you also got to make sure you're doing to make sure you get your audio is come into properties. You go over here, bang, you make sure your custom audio is set. Check it, bang. Mine's set up to Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus Stream Engine 1 because it's also set up as the device I'm using. So you just make sure you match up your device with the audio device. All right, because I know for a fact it comes up with like probably two different options. Um, I didn't have to connect anything, from the Aver. I just all my Aver Live Gamer Portable has connected to it is the USB and the HDMI in and out. Alright, so I mean that's pretty much everything. You see my audio is money. I'm all set and I'm ready to go. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you liked the video. If you know anybody who's suffering from the same issues, put them on, help a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for tuning in.